Welcome to 𝐓𝐫𝐾, everybody. We are heading up the People Mover across the street from the Cosmopolitan, and we are going to the Miracle Mile shops right there. Come with us. Got Planet Hollywood next door, but we're going to go over here first. Let's not fall off of this thing. All right, we're going to go in the shops, which means I need to stop for a second and get my mask on. Margaret's going to hold the camera. Let's go, guys. Okay. I've probably been in here, but I don't remember it. Ooh, margaritas and frozen daiquiris. We may need to make a pit stop over there shortly. And oh, look at that, it leads right into the casino. We're not going to go in there quite yet. We're just going to take a walk around these shops. I need some new socks, so I'm going to get me about $1,000 pair of socks. I don't really know what kind of shops are here. You guys probably watched the video, one or two before this, where I took you to the other shopping center. Well, whoo, man, oh my God. They really did have $1,000 pair of socks over there. Make sure you subscribe. There's some socks. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss anything when I put them out. We are rolling all over the Southwest right now. Currently in Nevada, Las Vegas. We're going a little further. No, really, we're indoors, but they have decorated the ceiling like clouds, and you probably thought we were outdoors, didn't you? You know what? Didn't this area used to be the Caesars, where they had the animatronic things? Well, it looks just like it anyway.
They're just copies.
Oh, there. Yeah, I think so. I think they're copying Caesar's, y'all. Caesar's. Here's another one. Red mango. Yeah, Caesar's has a big old outdoor area like this too. With a, well, they used to have animatronic. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. Animatronics. There you go. Yeah, it's certain hours though. Did it? Well, I gotta drive. I can't be drinking 3 drinks for $10. Man, I don't have to drive anytime soon. Oh my gosh. Look at these giant piles of gelato, y'all. Doing good. Pretty tempted here. I don't have my glasses on. What does that say? It's very dark over here. What does it say? $6. Yeah. We can split one. Sounds pretty good. Alright, guys. I don't know what this is. Showgirl bar. Oh my god, she is what, 30, 40 feet tall? 30 or 40 feet tall. Her shoe, her ankle here is coming up to my chest. This is called the Salsa Cantina. And there's a giant, I guess that's a martini glass. Oh my god, it's big. Oh, it's one of these. It's a cantina. That's what it is. They're selling those big drinks. Very nicely decorated in here. Although this area is, it's dark. My camera's picking it up pretty good, but it is dark in here. People getting tattoos in there. Well, a lot of people getting tattoos in there. I got all the tattoos I'm gonna get, y'all. It's a ketchup burger bar. Not sure what they're selling. They're selling ketchup or are they selling the burger? I don't know. You know, when you're in Vegas, you never know what the hell's going on. Yep, that's what it is. It's supposed to be a loop. We'll keep on looping. You want to go in there? No, she doesn't. I can't film in there, but she doesn't want to go in, guys. Thought you wanted to go in that one. Oh, I see. Hilton. Starbucks is closed. That's unusual. There's Starbucks open everywhere in this city. How odd. Maybe they're only open at certain hours. Guys, don't listen to the news. Please don't listen to the news. I'm telling my audience not to listen to the news. They'll lead you to believe Las Vegas is closed. Guys, it's wide open. There is very little closed here. Throw a mask on. You can pretty much do anything you want to do. We have a water feature here. Toss your coins. Big old pond in the middle here. I lost Leslie. There she is. She was hiding. Yeah. Don't know if that'll work. Alright, we're supposed to make a circle, but it actually cuts off that way as well, so I'm really lost. I think it's just a restaurant. Boy, there's a lot of people waiting in line there. Oh, it's a sports bar, that's why. Lots of TVs, some kind of games on right now. We've lost Leslie again. There she is. It's me. In case you thought it was an imposter. Cool, they sell oxygen in there. I think I'll just get mine free from, oh, I don't know what, the air. Jesus. Suckers every day. Sucker, sucker, sucker. Well, I knew there was lobster somewhere. It's called Lobster Me. Lobster Me. This place is packed. It's also Fat Tuesday over there, so not a fan of that one. Where are we going? Whoa, what are you doing? Where are you going? I see that. She just ran right into me, y'all. This place is an actual maze. Oh, we better consult the map. Fat Tuesday. Okay, well, we started right there. So if we cut right through here, we can go right back. So let's go this way. And there was a couple other side streets y'all saw on that map too. We didn't walk down. But this is the bulk of it. Shops and restaurants, all conveniently located on the, what's it called? The Miracle Mile shops. Pretty cool. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me some comments. Please click that bell for notifications. And we'll see you guys very shortly on the next video.